What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we are back down at the moat with Jack Wright. He's brought his Clubsport S back down because it's had a new map on it from Perrin, and he's told us to expect some big things. So you can see it just there in the background. So guys, before we start this video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's crack on with the video. Right, so we are back in the car with Jack Wright. So hello. And we're back in the Clubsport S again. If you didn't catch the first video, go watch the first video first, then come back to this one, because Jack's been back up at Perrin.
Yes.
And they have put just a map on.
Just a map. It's just been a map update. So because it was on low boost last time, because basically I had a bad, because we fucked up the clutch.
Yeah.
And yeah, pretty much the guys at Perrin, as always, love them as always. Yeah, all they did was basically just up the boost basically, and then that was it. So
we're gonna just take our usual route up to the roundabout, up to Hooning Hill, as I like to call it.
Yep.
So we can give it the beans.
Wonderful.
Just that little bit there, you can feel how much different this is from the previous. So I'm actually looking forward to getting to the hill.
Basically what they've done is, obviously as I said, just up the boost, but the sort of goal of the map for Perrin really is to make it feel OEM.
Yeah.
So, you know, because obviously they want to, you know, release the platform and everything like that. You know, I won't go too much details because, you know, but yeah, pretty much it's just upping the boost basically, and then that's it. So other than that, it's pretty much stock.
Turn left and give it even more beams, Jack.
Oh, an M3 on the lot.
Is he actually seeing this?
Yeah.
This is mental. I can't believe just the boost has done this.
Bye bye M3.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane. I guess, like, was he chasing you up the hill?
He was, yeah.
That's crazy. I mean, I guess that puts it into perspective, guys. Like,
yeah. Pretty much. That was awesome. Honestly.
Well done.
Thank you very much. Lovely car, by the way.
Clubsport.
Yeah, Clubsport S. Awesome. Take care.
So as you just see there, this thing is berserk. This thing is berserk. So yeah, so as you just guess there, Jack just destroyed an M3.
E92, isn't it? Yeah.
that guy, I don't know if you could hear it on the camera, but the guy just, I wish I had my camera with me to show you his face. He looked at the car like, what is that?
What a lovely gentleman, I must say.
Yeah. The grip is phenomenal. The grip is just phenomenal.
So yeah, it's the thing is, all the work, you know, obviously I don't want to, you know, plug or, you know, do all that marketing stuff, because obviously I've said it before, but honestly it's fantastic, you know, and the fact that it feels OEM, you know, like I know a lot of people will probably be like, what, are you crazy? But no, honestly, it genuinely feels OEM, you know, and the fact that you know, I guess like you said, like we were saying before, sitting in the passenger seat, it feels like the car came out the factory like this. Yeah, that's how good the power delivery is. It's mind blowing. Mind blowing. Perrin, I'm bringing the Civic up. Yeah. So the thing is when obviously they developed the car, you know, obviously it's all about track time, etc. But the idea was that they made the front end totally light, and the fact that you can feel that diff grip, you know, even it is electronically controlled, you know, you can really feel it, you know, work a little bit. And I mean, to be honest, credit to Porsche and VW at the end of the day, because, you know, I mean, we can always talk about tuning and everything, but the core car as itself, like, it is absolutely phenomenal, you know. And yeah, it's a little bit shame they don't put more power into it from factory, but then I suppose that's where you go to Perrin. That's it. Or go to, you know, to any tuner, for example, you know, to obviously get, you know, get it mapped and everything. So off you go. Those electric handbrakes, I mean, I know they're just, oh yeah, they're just very odd. I should hold this for you.
Yeah, if that's alright,
cool.
So I have to remember the clutch in this car is so heavy.
No, it isn't.
It's like
he's exaggerating the clutch.
Well, no, actually, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It is heavy though.
Oh yeah. Just showed it, to be honest.
You can feel that.
I know.
It just wants
you
to,
can feel the power.
Yeah, it just wants to. That is so good. I can't believe that. That was in third. That's in third. The low revs.
Give it.
It actually catches you off surprise a little bit. You probably saw it got a little bit of torque steer then. And
that's all right.
And
well, time to give it the beans up the hill.
This is phenomenal. So good. My God. How is all that power coming from a 4-pot engine? It's just like these modern engines are just fantastic, you know. This is just ridiculous. I'm so glad I'm back in the driving seat. It's made me want one again. After the last time I drove this, I went home, looked at Clubsport S's, and then started looking at Caterhams again.
Oh, it's just, as I said, it's hard to describe it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's hard to describe the feelings you get from this car.
It feels so good as well, like steering wheel, like just the
sort of package,
the seating position, the steering wheel, the whole lot. I see what you mean by the gear, the shifting a little bit rubbery. Yeah. But
like I said, I mean,
I can see past that. Jack, thank you for letting me drive.
My pleasure, my pleasure, my pleasure.
This is absolutely phenomenal. Honestly, I don't think I've ever had this much fun in a car. This is just so good, just so good. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Jack, do you want to put any social media on? Or?
I don't know. I mean, nah, it's all right.
Yeah, sure.
It's all right. No, trust me.
The North Coast 500 trip is still up on the website, so if you want to put your deposits down, you can do that on www.rlinert.co.uk. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we will catch you on the next video.
Yes. Take care.